Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is What is Teachable University? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, what is Teachable University? To give you some context, we're all spending more time at home because of the enforced restrictions due to the global pandemic. I'm not going to talk about the pandemic anymore here, but that's just setting the scene. So we've got more time to learn online using resources that are available to us. Last week I made a video about Canva Design School. If you haven't seen that, click on the link there and watch that video. This week I'm turning my attention to Teachable University. Teachable is an online educational platform where you can, if you're a coach or an educator, you can sell your courses to an audience that you build up a little school online and then promote that via your social channels and your email list and get people subscribed to your course, and that's a paid course, and you pay also to be using the platform Teachable. It's a very successful platform with over 100,000 content creators on it. Teachable University is designed for people who are considering selling their expertise through the package of a course but don't really know how to do it. They may have written books, they may have written ebooks, they may teach one-to-one or online, but they might not know how to go about the business of creating a course. This is where Teachable University is going to be very useful to them. So I'm just going to demonstrate some of the benefits of signing up to Teachable University. And as I'm making the video, Teachable University is free, and I think that's for a limited time only. So if you were to sign up today or in the days around this video being published, you'll be able to subscribe to Teachable University for free. If you leave it too late and you're watching this several months after I've uploaded it, there may be a cost of $888 because I saw that flashed up as the normal cost. But during this promotional period, you can sign up to Teachable University for free. The benefit for Teachable is obviously if they get more educators, more coaches, online experts creating courses, those people will then host their courses on Teachable. So Teachable will make a return on investment that way. But if you look at it purely in terms of the individual can benefit because they will be given advice on course creation and how to put together a course to sell to their students without having to pay. That's relevant because there are lots of courses out there in the marketplace, and I have reviewed some of them, that offer you the expertise to create a profitable course, but they charge you thousands of dollars. If you take the opportunity I'm talking about today, you can sign up for Teachable University, learn how to create a profitable course for nothing. Okay, let's go into it. So Teachable University. So I've gone past the sign-in pages, and I'm doing this for the benefit of this video because I've already created courses on other platforms. But so once you've signed up to Teachable University, and the link will be in the description, you can see teachableuniversity.com courses. This is one I've signed up. I've been through the four. It looks like there are 4 clear modules. So I've been through this one. Choose topic. Choose your course topic. Let me click on that and demonstrate some of the lectures and sections within that course. Tell us about yourself, what you'll learn, sample Teachable School, download the course workbook, sample course workbook, how to get help about online courses, glossary of online course terms, find your best course idea, know your why, brainstorm your topic, how to choose, and then I'm just going to scroll down so you can read these, validate your course topic, that section, identify your target audience, that section, refine your course topic, that section, plan your curriculum, name your school and course, what's next. So that's the first of the modules. Let's click back and that's the one I've completed 75% of for the purpose of this video. Okay, let's go and have a look at there are 3 more to have a look at. Let's have a look at create course. So click on create course, and once again, this is advice and a structure for course creation. It's free at the moment. I don't think it's going to be free permanently, but if you were to sign up today and register for Teachable University, you can get this advice, get this help for free, go on and create a successful online course during this time when lots of people are learning the need to create several revenue streams rather than just one or two. Okay, so this is the create course lecture. Tell us about yourself, what you'll learn, sample Teachable School, download the course workbook similar to the other one, map out your course content, course creation myths, your course transformation, identify your major milestones, breaking down course concepts, name your course again, all about text and photo lessons, tips for text lessons. Let me just, I don't know if this will work. I will open one as a sample. So this is what you'll see. You'll have a little lecture comes up. It's only a couple of minutes, and then there's a transcript of that if you want that. I'm not going to play the lecture. I'm not going to compromise their copyright, infringe their copyright. Let's go back. So they're short lectures, very digestible, and good advice to help you create your course. So that was the create your course lecture. You see the PDFs and downloadable content, slide decks, screencasts, all about slide decks, all about screencasting, video, all about video, nice demo quizzes and more. So that was module 2. Let's briefly go and look at the other 2 modules, and then build your audience. Very important section. Obviously no point creating a course and not having an audience for it. Okay, so that's very similar, all of that, so I'm not going to repeat those. Create your mini course. Mini course is normally under 1 hour, and that's something that Teachable are quite clear on. There's mini courses, mid-level courses, and then long level courses, and it talks about all of those during these courses, and I know that from watching the first module. Collect email addresses, how to build an audience, set up your landing page, and remember, this is all free at the moment. So if you're wanting to create a course, you're thinking about it, get on this and sign up, and then watch all of these courses, and they'll only take you, I think each one will take you about an hour to let's say 2 hours to watch, and then you've got to do the follow-up actions, of course. Keep your list engaged. What's next? So that's the build an audience module. Let's go back, and we'll go to the final module, launch your course. Very important. Let's click on here and let's have a look at the curriculum for launch your course. Tell us about yourself, what you'll learn, sample Teachable School. So that's similar intro section. What course, why course launches work. Are you ready to launch? Sell without being salesy. Very good. Journey from subscriber to customer. Pricing and setting goals for your course. Misconceptions about pricing. So that's good. Create your sales page. Set up e-commerce and checkout. Run your 30-day launch. Phase 1 engagement, pre-sales and sales, read through sample launches, bonus intermediate strategies. So this is all very good content if you're about to create a course, or if you've created courses in the past and you haven't created courses recently and you want to look at best practice, then this is a very good resource. And as I mentioned in the intro, this at the moment, you can sign up for Teachable University, go through these modules for free, and the normal price, so welcome to Teachable University, the bonus edition. So the normal price is $888. The price when I'm uploading this video, one of the reasons I'm making this video, is free. So sign up today. I'll put the link in the description. Get yourself through those modules, and then you'll be in a position to create a profitable course and add another revenue stream to your business, or create your first revenue stream for your business. Some people have done very well out of Teachable courses and made hundreds of thousands of dollars. Even if you only make a few $1,000s, it's a few $1,000s you wouldn't have had without taking these modules and then following up and creating a course. Hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks. If it has, please give me a like. Thanks for watching all the way through. Click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video from me, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.